Hey folks, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you this trick. It looks really cool. It's called under the arm. And when I started out juggling, I had quite a challenge getting it right, and that's basically because I did not know how to do it. So I'm going to save you all the trouble and I'm going to break it down step by step for you in this tutorial. Alright, this is how you start. You're going to start with one club. So instead of throwing the club just like this, you're going to keep your catching hand the same spot and you're going to throw it under and you catch it from here. So instead of catching it like this, you're going to throw it, catch it like that. And you do it both sides. So it goes under the arm and you catch it like so. Also, you see the difference when you juggle normally. It comes down in a 45 angle with your body. Right here it's more parallel. So it points out a little bit. The club points out a little bit more than a regular throw. So you catch like this. So practice that just for a little bit to get the hang of it. So you go 1, 2, maybe 10 times. When you get the good feeling that you can do it, then you can move on. So now the next step. You already know how to throw one club under the arm. You know how to juggle this basic 3-club cascade. And now you're going to combine the two. So you're going to take one club, I'm going to take the yellow again, throw it under my arm and go back. You see, the rhythm is kind of the same. I juggle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the rhythm is pretty much the same. Maybe you have a slight break before you throw the club under your arm, but you kind of want to go for the same rhythm. So the rhythm is pretty much the same, just the throwing position of the one club that goes under the arm is slightly different. Once you have that pattern down with just one club under both arms, you're going to isolate one hand and that throws all the time under the opposite arm. So alright, you want to try this both ways. Once you have all these steps down, you're going to go for both hands under the arm. And here's the funny part, because you throw always from here, from in front of your stomach and under your arm. But in the beginning, it's kind of weird for your brain to make the click that you throw it here, you catch it there, and then you throw it here and you catch it there. So I'll show it from this angle. And I'm also going to show it from this angle. You see, I've bent over just slightly to give myself the space to juggle here. So kind of bend over just a little bit, and then I always make underarm throws. And it's kind of weird in the beginning to get this feeling right of throwing and catching the clubs. But like, if you're aware of it, it's going to be weird, and you do all the drills with one club under the arm, one side all the time, on the other side, and you're aware of it. Within no time it will click, and once it clicks, you have the trick. If you have the trick, and if you can do back crosses with the clubs, here's a real cool variation for you to up your game. So you're gonna go for 1, 2, right, left, and then I go right, left, back cross, boom, boom. Good luck with that, and I hope you learn this trick very quickly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.